Guess we just discovered a hair vendor that accepts payment on delivery within every state in Nigeria. Yes, you heard that right. Come close. Clean your ear like this. She accepts payment on delivery within every state in Nigeria. Meaning, once you buy the hair from her like this and they deliver it to you, you can check before you pay. I'm serious. Look at this hair. It's 50% human hair for just 15,000 naira. 15k. And once you go to her page, you see other hairs that are very affordable, even more affordable than this one. Just search her name on TikTok and Instagram at Ella's Hair. Don't worry, I'll put the handle on the screen. Just go and search for her. You will see that I'm not making mouths. This is tested, trusted, and reliable. Look at the hair now. Check it out. It's not that you'll be carrying all back every time. You'll be packing your hair to go and see your boyfriend. Packing all your problems.